Hey guys, good morning.
Hey guys, you can't see me because I'm in front of Amy.
Oh, I see you, look.
I'm driving Miss Amy. Hi.
We are on our way up to Homosassa and to go scalloping. And I am sitting in the back seat because we have friends with us today.
We actually have friends, believe it or not.
Sometimes. So it should be a nice day. The weather's perfect. It's actually early. It's just I saw the sunrise today, which I never see. And we have a guide, so we're going out on a boat.
Who is it?
Captain Red Ed.
Red Ed.
So we are excited for the day and get lots of scallops and practice our snorkeling. We'll see how that goes.
We know exactly how it's going to
go. So we'll see you on the water. All right, we're coming up. This is Captain Red Ed's boat. Joel, are you on Red Ed's boat?
Hi, Amy. I am on Red Ed's boat. He's not here. Let's take it. Let's go.
What a gorgeous day.
It is beautiful.
Look at this water.
Really dirty. He's not going to be happy with you. Hey guys, so it is an absolutely gorgeous morning. The water is calm. The scallops are out there waiting for us to grab them.
Is that how you're going to grab them?
Just like that.
Just like.
So, yeah, it should be a great day, and just waiting for Captain Ed to get some ice so we can put our scallops on ice, and we're going to hopefully need lots of ice because we'll hopefully get lots of scallops. So, and then we're going to hit the water and go out and do our thing.
Yeah,
so,
I don't know how far we go out, but hopefully the water stays this calm because I get a little motion sickness, so
she
I may be puking over the side. Let's hope not.
If she does, we're definitely getting it on video.
Oh yeah, thanks.
So,
just like the bird poop from the last one.
All right, well, enjoying us?
No, you can't do words.
Let's go this way.
Yeah, okay.
Come on, Amy.
31,000 acre national wildlife refuge.
Okay.
The only other place in Florida similar is the Everglades because of the
We are on the boat.
We are on the scalloping grounds. Captain Red Ed just gave us the tutorial, so we've never done it, but now we feel like experts. And we're getting ready to jump in. Whoa, my face is way too big right now.
I know. Well, I'm trying to come around so we can see the boat.
There you go. Yep, so we're the best.
Say hi, Captain.
He's put us on the right place, so we're going to go out and swim around and see what we can do.
All right. How you doing? That's good.
I'll go for all three. Here. How many did you get on that one? Got 4 on that dive. Wow. Which is great. It's been a bit tough to find. Yeah. So to find 4 on one spot was awesome.
Yeah. So I tried to go down. That didn't work.
Nope.
So I still can't get down to the bottom. I don't know why. Not doing it right, apparently. Alright, so we had our first stop. I can't get down to the bottom for nothing. So I just find him and point him to Joel. And
So, like, she's a spotter on a spotter. Right? She finds him, I go get him.
it's like what, 7 feet? 7 feet, high tide.
Yeah. Can't touch.
I try.
And my beard is causing my mask.
So I think we're heading to a new spot.
Yep.
We're going to move a little further south.
Okay.
The depth will probably be the same, but they should be more plentiful. Again, the further we go away from Homosassa, the less the boats can get down there.
Right.
Yeah.
Can you hear me underwater?
Yeah.
That's what. That's the best way to get your attention, I think.
Yeah. Yep. That's good.
Okay. Doing good?
Huh? I got him.
Doing good?
Yeah, not bad.
There you go.
Slowly but surely. Get there. Hey there, Chris.
Great. This is how I die for scallop.
Well, you may have a hard time finding her that way. All right.
Second, so I didn't catch? Yeah, sure. Whatever you call it. I just was a good
grab.
spotter.
Right. Yeah, Amy was a spotter. She had eyes like a hawk.
And we got this many
And that many?
and that many on this second.
Right.
So
Not too shabby.
not too shabby. Yeah, the water, did we say that before? The water's like 7.5 feet deep.
Yeah, so we're literally treading water as we speak.
I think we've done almost a 360 here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, here, here's the boat behind
There's
us.
the boat. There you go. All right.
We're heading
I
back
can't tread
in.
water anymore. I gotta go.
I'm doing video. Yes. And to a nice trip.
I know Red will eat one of those.
There's your shell, Christina.
We had some a Russian family. They stood here. These guys shucked them. They ate every
Yeah.
They never had any go
There,
home.
Chris. There, Chris.
Cheers.
guys.
Cheers.
Nice and raw.
Scallops of goodness. It's like eating the ocean, right? Yeah. It's like eating the ocean.
They're so salty, they're sweet.
No, they'll back
They
you
what?
up.
They're so salty, they're sweet.
Yeah.
Yep. So try one.
Under my name, right?
You know that kind of really.
Joel.
You would. I think you'd enjoy.
Can you see it?
Nope. No?
Nope.
They're really good for the hot dog.
You're not eating nothing but the meat. In an oyster, you're eating the gut, everything.
Okay.
That's pure meat.
Pure meat.
You giving him two?
It's like eating sushi.
All right, I'm gonna do it too.
There
Yeah.
you go. There you go, buddy.
All right, thanks, sir.
All right,
See
just
the
pick it up and eat it.
Just jump it.
Oh, dump it.
All right.
You like it. Not bad. Don't go to your feet.
Surprisingly good, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's good.
It's better than your mind is telling you one thing, and then all of a
Right,
sudden you
right.
taste it and go, damn, that wasn't
It wasn't
bad.
bad.
I'd do that again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good, I'd sit here all
All right, we're finished with our scalloping.
So we ate the raw scallop, but it didn't fill us up. So now we're at a place called the Freezer, which was recommended by Captain Ed.
Yep.
And so we're gonna go in and have some food.
Yeah, it should all be fresh. It was 3 miles from the McRae's from the boat dock.
Yeah, so it should
So.
be fantastic.
Yum.
Yeah, and maybe a beer.
Yeah. We did buy some more scallops because we didn't have enough for our dinner tonight.
As hard as we tried,
Yep.
but we're
Oh,
going
well.
to lunch.
So we've moved locations for food.
We are very mobile today.
So we actually went back to McRae's at the boat dock, at the boat ramp.
So the freezer was awesome, but it was all seafood. Yeah, I like some seafood. I like scallops, obviously, we went scalloping. But I didn't want to do peel and eat shrimp, so we're back here at McRae's and I think I'm gonna get a burger.
Yeah, we have no idea what they have.
We'll
so.
see. Good time. All right. And our friends left us, so we're gonna go.
Let's go.
We grew up sports, or listen to sports with no fans.
Lunch ended up being really good.
Really good. So full.
We had some tacos,
Yep. Blackened chicken tacos and blackened
fish tacos.
tacos. Yeah, so it was great. It was a great ending to a great day,
Yep.
and we'll be back.
Yeah, we love scalloping. I just need to come at low tide next time so we can get a little bit,
Yeah, the water was kind of deep.
a little more shallow so I can dive down. You like that? Dive down.
She was a great spotter, but
I was so good at getting him, I just couldn't get down there to get him.
and that was exactly. I couldn't see nothing, but I could get down and get him. So it was perfect. We were a perfect team.
Yes. Yeah, so I would yell through my mask and he could hear me through the water. Perfect team, right?
It was great.
My hat.
All right, guys.
All right,
Thanks
so
for
yes,
watching.
and Red Ed was a great captain too,
Yeah, he's
so
great. Fantastic.
we definitely recommend him as well. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and make it a glorious day.
See you guys.